In their previous janam, Vasudeva or Devaki, they did great tapasya to get Bhagavan Krishna as their son. बहुत ही बुद्धिमान राजा थे. तो Vasudeva says to Kans, भैया दो पल दीजिए, give me 2 moments, let me explain something to you. शलाघनीय गुण शूरैर भवान भोजयस्कर सकतम भगिनीम हन्यात् स्त्रियमुदा पवर्वनी. वसुदेव सेज, भैया सबसे पहले तुम राजा हो और साधारण राजा नहीं है. भोज यशस्करः, you are from a famous line of kings. You cannot kill a lady, and also she is your sister. और ये शादी हो रही है. This is a मंगल उत्सव. All of these situation is inappropriate to take her life. भैया मृत्युर्जन्म बताम वीरा देहेन सहजायते. भैया once you are born you have to die. आज नहीं तो कल. आप मृत्यु से डरिए मत. You will not die before your time. कंस ने कहा नहीं नहीं वसुदेव, मृत्युर्जन्म बताम वीरा अद्य वाद्य शतान्ते वा मृत्युर्वै प्राणिनाम ध्रुवः. वसुदेव, I can save myself right now by killing Devaki. तुम तर्क मत सुनाओ. वसुदेव समझ गए कि something special has to be done. बंधुओं, महाभारत में देवरात गंगा पुत्र को भीष्म कहते हैं. भीष्म means the one who makes a terrible promise. When his father wanted to get married, the father of that bride said, hey Devarat, आप गंगा पुत्र हो. If you have sons, then they will challenge for this kingdom in the future. देवरात ने कहा, मैं प्रतिज्ञा लेता हूं, मैं गंगा पुत्र संकल्प करता हूं, कदापि नहीं शादी करूंगा. I will never get married. So you will never have to worry about me or my children. And the world call him Bhishma. लेकिन आज वसुदेव कितने कठोर संकल्प लेते हैं. What a terrible promise he makes to Kans. He says, भैया, I give you my word. आपको वचन देता हूं. We will stay in your palace, and every son that is born, मैं खुद आपके सामने लाके रख दूंगा. I will bring him to you, and you will do as you wish. ये वसुदेव की वचन है. The father of भगवान श्री कृष्णा. कंस ने कहा, ठीक है वसुदेव, तुम झूठ नहीं बोलते हो, तुम्हारे ऊपर विश्वास करता हूं. I trust what you are telling me. He brought Vasudeva and Devaki to his palace और दोनों को बंधक बनाए हैं. He made them prisoners in Mathura. भागवत में लिखा है, after some time a son was born to Vasudeva or Devaki. This son was called Kirtimant. When he was born, Vasudeva brought him to Kans and he said, Bhaiya, I made you a promise. Here is my first son. When Kans saw this beautiful young child, मामा मामा कह रहा है, कंस ने कहा, चलिए इसको छोड़ देता हूं. अष्टम लाल से दिक्कत है, प्रथम लाल से नहीं. I have no problem with the first son. कंस ने छोड़ दिया. अब आए गुरुजी. Who is the guru of Kans? Narad. Narayana, Narayana. He comes to Kans and he has a kamal pushpa in his hand. He says, Kans, बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. Tell me which is the 8th petal in this flower. तो कंस ने कहा, कोई बात नहीं गुरुजी, 1 2 3 4. Narad Muni rotates this flower. He says, यहां से गिनो, यहां से गिनो. कंस ने कहा, अच्छा गुरुदेव, मैं समझ गया. इसका मतलब any of the children of Devaki can be the 8th son. रिस्क नहीं लेना है. Immediately Kans goes to Vasudeva. He picks up this son called Kirti Mantra और नीचे पत्थर में पटक दिया. And so the first son of Devaki or Vasudeva is killed. बोलो जय श्री कृष्णा.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Sometimes you might ask, why is Narad Muni directing Kans to behave like this? कंस तो पहले से महापापी था, महादुष्ट था. And Narad Muni wants that he will do more sin, तो भगवान जल्दी आएंगे. When you are a sinful person, लेकिन बीच बीच में थोड़ा सत्कर्म करते हो, so your punishment keeps getting delayed. You know when you are on death row, when you have to get lethal injection, but sometimes the sentence keeps getting delayed. I have heard people on death row 15 years. कब से इंतजार कर रहे हैं मरने के लिए. तो नारद मुनि चाहते हैं कि ये महापापी और अत्याचार करे और हरि यथा शीघ्र आ जाए. He wants Bhagavan to come as quickly as he can.